You might be wondering, can I order my badge directly from Smith & Warren? The short answer is no, but let me explain why this is an advantage. Here at Smith & Warren, we want to provide you with the best possible buying experience. We therefore have partnered with a network of authorized dealers. While we focus on the product, they focus on making sure you have the best possible buying experience. Our dealers include businesses that sell uniforms, equipment, trophies and awards, and sometimes even specialize in just badges and insignia. We also value your preference when it comes to shopping. Whether you prefer in-store, online, a phone call, or even a personal visit from a dealer, our network offers a buying option that will meet your needs. If you're ready to order, or you have any questions, please reach out to one of our authorized dealers, or you can submit a quote request through Visual Badge on our website. At Smith & Warren, we are dedicated to making your badge buying experience seamless, secure, and simple.